Hello YouTube, Papa Gleb here, making a comeback video. And for the video I had to figure out which lock I was going to be attempting to pick. And I reviewed some of the nice locks that I have, as you can see. And I don't know, just to me, none of them seemed worthy for a comeback video. What does seem worthy to me, and I think you guys will agree, none other than a master lock. And this is number 3. And I'm not even gonna lie, I paid retail for this when I started picking. This is actually one of the first locks I bought. It has a precision built 4-pin core with anti-pick features, you might be guessing, but it operates very smoothly both directions. So let's get to it. Let's clamp this up and see if I can pick it. Okay, so we have the lock clamped up. Here's the key. I personally cold cut this one. Works very smooth. Alright. 18th gem, and this is a music wire tension wrench. Now you can't use a standard wrench on this because of the counter milling and the spools. You're gonna have to manually actually turn the plug back to set the pins. Otherwise you're just gonna either break the pins or not have luck picking it. Alright, so let's get the full set and see how far we can go. Alright, that was number 2. Number 1 just set. Let me check number 2. Yeah, number 1 is good. Number 2 seems solid as well. Alright, that was... Okay, 6 and nudge on 5. Put it in a full set. Alright. Okay. Just slowly gonna go through the stack, see which one. Alright, so that was number 3, I believe. Number 1 is set. Number 2. Alright, let me take it back. I think it's gonna be number 5. And we lost our full set. Let's see if we can get it back. Alright, we got it back. Six is pretty solid. Okay, I believe we got the 5. 1 is solid. 2 feels pretty good. 4 is solid. 5 is solid. That one cut's very deep. It's a little hard to get it from the bottom. Alright, let's go for number 6, see what happens. Okay. We got the 6. Okay, and we got a little further too. No, actually that was the 5. We got 5 a little further. These locks are a lot of fun. Solid, solid. Solid, solid. Let me see. Hard to really tell. Such minute feedback. Come on. Somebody. Don't be shy, raise your hand. Sorry, let me just get a little more comfortable here. I think it's still the 6. Okay. There we go. Ooh, that took a while. Much longer than I expected. But an open is an open, right? Alright, let me get you guys in a little lower here. Let me get all this crap here. Sorry, almost went out of frame. Alright. I have the key, so we'll lock it up. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to send a thank you to all my subscribers, and at the same time to all my new subscribers. The new subscribers is actually the reason why I got back into making the videos. Every couple of weeks I would get a new subscriber on a pretty steady basis, and I just had to provide you guys with something to watch. plus potty made me realize that although I had a bunch of videos, there's only a few on picking. Alright. Alright, so I'll gut this, then I'll show you all the fun stuff inside, like you don't know. And you may note that there are no master wafers in this one because I had taken them out already. It was much easier with master wafers. Much easier. Alright. Okay. Yeah. That's weird. I thought I took them all out. Maybe one got in there. Okay. And here's the lock for you. Let's get rid of him. Alright. So here are all the ASA pins. And here's the plug. Horrible lighting situation. But pin 1, but I mean chamber 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 are all have the counter milling. I don't think I got anything. Maybe I do. Yeah, you see? Smooth. Alright. This is long enough for my first video. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and as I said, thank you to all my old subscribers, and thank you to all the new ones. I hope to make a lot of more videos, but I can't make promises. Alright, stay safe. Thank you. Almost forgot to start the show. We can't allow that, right? So let's see what we can do. Here it is. All right, thank you very much.